There's, walking around this graveyard, there's veterans from the War of 1812. There's veterans from World War I, World War II. There's children of servicemen. And it's just an interesting environment where you don't expect to see weeds and dead grass and roots. There's men that are buried by their shipmates in honor of their service. It's very interesting. Some of the graves are actually right at California even becoming a state. And it was into this environment that I found a surprising internment. The daughter of Francis Scott Key is actually buried in this cemetery. Her dad wrote the national anthem, and here she is, buried alongside her husband and her daughter. There's a lot of history, a lot of reverence here, and a lot of neglect.